ready. That's always the party, right?
That's
the family.
it.
All right, Skip Bedell is here with quick and easy ways to give your home a whole new look, and it will only take you a weekend.
Guys, these are all weekend projects, and the reason why I love them so much is because they're inexpensive. You can do them yourself with very limited tools, just any basic saw, utility knife, and a tape measure, and anybody can do this. So I have videos on the screen of me installing this in my bathroom. These are waterproof tiles that you install right over your existing shower tiles. You do a bathroom or a shower tub makeover in one day. They glue up, they're waterproof.
You just heal it.
Looks
So you
like
put
marble.
this right over the side.
Right over the tiles that you have, or any clean and dry surface. You simply glue them on. You'll see on the installation video how we did it. They even have a great selection of planked waterproof tiles. So if you want to do that rustic plank look in the shower, very trendy right now.
A cabin
I'll
shower.
tell you, if you have one of those old homes or you're buying one that has the pink tile or the lime green,
Listen,
Time to go.
Steve, you know because you just did it. Bathrooms are probably the most expensive bathrooms and kitchens, right? You're talking about a week, 2 weeks, dumpsters in the driveway, big demo, dust, everything. This is as simple as gluing it up over your. You don't even take your old tile off.
You can cut it with this.
You can simply score this with a knife and snap it.
Okay, so this is how you update your showers.
Yes.
This is how you've got how you update your backsplash in the kitchen.
Yeah, guys, it's absolutely going from Palisade to Aspect. This is peel and stick backsplash tile. So look how fantastic this is. You peel off the back, you simply stick it to the wall. They have real stone, metal, or stone and metal glass. All combinations.
Together.
It is super easy because you don't need a tile saw. There's no grout. There's no mess. You can tile in the whole backsplash in your kitchen in an hour or two.
You put it up and you go, wait, that's a little crooked. Can you peel it back off?
You can, yeah, absolutely. And the best part is you simply cut it with a pair. You simply cut. Watch this. Look, this is real stone. You cut it with scissors.
Look at that.
You don't even need a tile saw and no grout, no mess. Do your whole backsplash in 2 hours.
Brian will get you a level.
Unbelievable. Aspect, peel, and stick.
And I love this old-time look for your ceiling.
Yes, guys, this is great. It comes in ceiling panels, 2x2 or 2x4, like you see here. It's a thermoplastic, very lightweight tile. You glue this up. You can put it on the ceiling, on the wall, on your backsplash. It comes in 27 different styles, 17 colors, and it's fantastic. I put this on the ceiling of my kitchen in a bronze color like this.
It's like Gone with the Wind here.
It is unbelievable. It is so beautiful and easy. I put it up in an afternoon. You simply glue it up on the ceiling, and again, you just cut it with scissors. It couldn't be easier, guys.
That's fantastic. All right, more information, go to
These are projects even we can do.
I'm not going to recognize your house.
No more excuses, Brian.
These are projects Steve does this stuff all the time, but we can actually do these.
You can all do these.
All right, coming up, a huge 8 o'clock hour. We've got former